Welcome back, guys, to another property tour. Today we're in the city of Fremont and we're going to look at this custom built Spanish style home sitting in the most desired area of Fremont, the Mission District. This property sits on the foothills of this area. This is a 5-bedroom, 5.5 bath. So let's check out what this beauty has. Let's go. So right when you enter this house, there is a den on the left side of the entrance. It's a beautiful area to set up for work from home environment. Just your office space, and it has a nice white colored sliding door that you can slide and slide back. All right, so we'll keep moving. This was the area that I just talked to you guys about. This is where we entered. And there's 2 steps that come down into your, I would consider this more of a formal living area. As you can see, there's lots of space in this area, and it has a dining area right next to it. And then let's keep moving. They put some really nice fixtures in this property, and this is a Spanish style built, like I mentioned earlier. So you'll get a real good idea today what 3.6, almost 3.7 million will buy you in the city of Fremont in the most desired area, because the school districts out here are 10 out of 10. So everybody wants to buy in this area. But this is, remember, it's completely custom built. So when you come down here, 3 more steps, we have the kitchen area. As you can see how spacious it is with, these are quartz countertops on this island. As you can see in this kitchen, these are all brand new appliances in this custom built home. Very fresh, very nice complementary paint, and beautifully staged. I love these lights, beautiful fixtures. And I'm not sure if we'll be able to see this with the camera we got rolling, but these are very high ceilings that, and then this area leads out to the outside, which we'll go check out later, and show you guys what that feeling is outside with the covered veranda. But for now, let's move forward and go into the first bedroom, which is on the first floor, a full master suite. So follow me. So this is one of the master suites on the first floor. Has about 12 feet of ceiling, so lots of space. You feel very roomy and spacious in this area because of the ceilings being so high. Then this room it doesn't have a walk-in closet, but it has a beautiful open bathroom with double sinks and completely remodeled, brand new custom built home. Follow me, let's go check out the other parts of the house. So on the same area, same floor, first floor, you have a mudroom that is connected to the garage area, and you have a huge closet right here that, you know, pretty much almost could be a small little bedroom. Not really, but it's a big closet. If you walk right in, this way is a half bathroom that's connected to the mudroom here and connected to the garage. So now let's go check out what's upstairs. So very nice, spacious stairs. There is hardwood flooring all throughout the house. And like again, this is beautifully staged. A tall mirror for you right when you come upstairs. So there are 4 bedrooms upstairs. So we're gonna start with bedroom number 1. This bedroom has nice closet space, possibly could be for a shared room with 2 people staying in here, small children with 2 bunk beds. They have it situated a little differently. This bedroom also has an attached bathroom. We'll show you real quick. Lots of sunlight. And this is also upstairs is a laundry with sink and little window right there for sunlight. Now we're going to move to bedroom number 2. This room is a tad bit bigger than the other room we saw, but it doesn't have a bathroom. It just has 1 closet. Now this is the full bathroom right here that is on the upstairs floor, which is shared. All right, follow me. Now we're going to bedroom number 3. And this one has an attached bathroom, full bathroom. also a lot of sunlight in this room as well with these 2 windows, actually 3 windows. And this window actually overlooks the foothills in the back. I don't know if we could show that, but we'll show you guys that towards the end of the video. All right, now let's go to the last bedroom on the 2nd floor, which is our master suite. And voila. So this is the master suite. This home has 2 master suites. We showed you one downstairs, but this master has a full walk-in closet attached with a bathroom, which the other one downstairs did not have. Well, my favorite part of the house, a balcony right next to the master suite upstairs that leads outside to the terrace. And as you can see, the beautiful, sorry, it's kind of loud here, there's construction going on. But as you can see, just a beautiful area in the foothills of Fremont. And this terrace overlooks the hills in the back and all these beautiful houses. So perfect place to have your morning coffee, your morning bed tea, your tea, and chop it up on this terrace. And it's a beautiful day today. It was just raining earlier, but it cleared up and everything looks so shiny and clean. So let's step out now to check out the lanai. And a fancy name for covered patio, covered veranda right outside. So this home doesn't really have a huge yard in the back because most of its space is covered in the beautiful insides that I just showed you guys. But it's really good, still some really good space out here to just sit out here, have breakfast, dinner, and especially a really nice place to host when you have people over. Then there's a little bit of space on this side. As you can see, they haven't finished the back properly. This is just some bark on the ground. So this is the outside area, guys. You have your veranda right there where our cameraman is standing, and over here you have some area to just kick back, chill. Still, you have a lot of space here to do other things if you'd like to do. If you want to put concrete or pavers, you could do so. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of this beautiful property that has over 3,900 square feet of living space situated on a 7,000 square foot lot, 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, listed for $3,675,000 in the best area of Fremont, California. If you would like more information on this property, click on the link in my description or leave a comment and I will do my best to get back to you. Thank you for watching. Until next time, this is Karan Singh.